Hi, everyone. So, did you know that of all the plastic we use, only 7% is being recycled? The rest is depleted to the environment. And there they disintegrate into these tiny particles we call micro and nanoplastics. Well, unfortunately, these micro and nanoplastics are present in our food and water. Of 153 samples of tap water gathered around the world, 83% showed signs of microplastics. The scary part is that these tiny particles are small enough to enter our cell membrane and increase the risk of cancer. They also are mutagenic, meaning that they can change DNA. Scary, right? But this is not the scary part in my view. The scary part is that, at least in my sector, which is water and wastewater treatment, we don't have any rules or regulations against micro and nanoplastics. Our classic water treatment systems cannot remove microplastics from water. And we don't know anything about these tiny particles. We don't know how to identify them. We don't know their characteristics. We don't know where they come from and what kind of plastic produce more microplastics. Well, that's where my project comes in. My project has two parts. In the first part, we're looking closely at bulk plastics to see how these microplastics are emerging. We're going to answer some questions. What are microplastic characteristics? What consumer plastics produce more microplastics? How can we identify microplastics in environmental samples? How can we quantify them? And how can we remove them, right? So these inside the well body, these particles you see, are the microplastics we produce and take microscopy pictures from them. So in the second part of my project, based on the data we gathered from the first part, we're going to make novel adsorbents and membranes specifically designed to remove microplastic as next generation water treatment agents. So we're going to remove these micro and nanoplastics from our drinking water for a safe and secure future for ourselves and for our children. Thank you very much.